Elite Fire Protection. Safety first is safety always. Imagine this scenario. You've worked hard to establish your business, investing time, money, and effort into creating a successful venture. But one unexpected event could bring it all crashing down. Fire. It's a threat that can strike at any time, anywhere, and without warning. That is why having a comprehensive fire protection measure in place is not just important, it is essential. However, it is not just enough to just install a fire protection system. You need to ensure you have the right fire protection solution for your needs, as well as ensure that your fire protection is well maintained and in good working order. Fire protection maintenance isn't just about complying with regulations. It is about safeguarding your investment and ensuring the safety of your employees, customers, and assets. Welcome back to our monthly focus series. This month we have been focusing on the significance of fire protection maintenance for your insurance coverage. Think of fire protection maintenance as your first line of defense. A well-maintained fire alarm system, sprinkler system, and fire resistance materials significantly reduces the risk of fire-related damages. Not only does this help prevent potential loss of life, but it also minimizes property damage. A fire can lead to costly disruptions, from repairs and replacements to temporary closures. But with regular fire protection maintenance, you can mitigate these risks and ensure your business bounces back quickly. A regular maintenance schedule ensures that your fire protection system is always functioning optimally. Insurance companies recognize the value of proactive fire protection measures. By investing in maintenance, you're sending a strong signal that you're committed to risk reduction. This in turn could lead to lower insurance premiums or better coverage options. So what is the takeaway here? Fire protection maintenance isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about securing your business's future and enjoying the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've done everything to prevent the worst. Take action today and schedule regular maintenance with a trusted protection provider like Elite Fire Protection. Because when it comes to fire safety, prevention is always better than regret. Elite Fire Protection. Let's protect your business together.